Good afternoon, viewers at home. My name is Dustin Nelson. This is Derek Jinks and Ko-Hing Chan. We are doing one of the first real-world connections projects for the science notebook. This is going to consist of using cornstarch and water to create a mixture that, when hit, will become solid. Derek will explain the logistics of this in a couple of moments. Our ingredients are cornstarch. We bought that from America's Choice because it was cheap, but really you could use any cornstarch and that will work. It's just cornstarch and water. It's 2-to-1 ratio cornstarch to water. And I'll let Derek Jinks take over.
As he was explaining, the ingredients are cornstarch and water, and the reason that it goes from a liquid to a solid is because of the polymers that are in the cornstarch. When there's no friction, they can slide past each other easily, but if you were to hit them or add pressure, as they are demonstrating, they will entangle with each other and it will become solid for a slight moment. And so in a minute, as soon as they're done mixing it, we will demonstrate even more so how it works. So as you can see, I don't know, I'm going to set it over here. Okay. If you just play with it, it's a liquid, like that. If you just touch it, it'll go in. But as Ko-Hing will demonstrate, if you hit it, wow. And then as you can see, it's still a liquid. If you just play around with it. Anything will work. It doesn't splash at all.
The same concept used within the polymers entangled as pressure is applied is also used in bulletproof vests. It's in its prototype stage at this moment. There are two known use of this basically theory when stopping a bullet. They use two different materials. The first one is vegetable oil and iron shavings. And when introduced to a magnetic field, the iron shavings become rigid within the confines of the oil, therefore making it rigid when introduced to a magnetic field, therefore able to stop a bullet. Currently, that technology is not used in bulletproof vests, but rather in washing machines, shock absorbers. The other innovation that I know of is cloth that is soaked in a silicone compound and then even a stab from a knife or a gunshot, of course. And that's about it.
For the people at home, I recommend this. It's kind of cool. There's no cautionary thing because it's not going to hurt you.
We decided to take this to the extreme.
Yeah.
With any other regular liquid, it would have splattered all over us. But clean.
That is, like, you can feel it suctioning.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so weird.
This is an innocent bystander, and she is amazed at this. She is amazed at this solution that we've created.
Wow.
And as you can see, this washes off very easy.